Here is another holiday-themed geometry problem. I will show you how to solve it in two different ways. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. We can use the tangent-secant theorem to solve this problem. If a tangent segment and a secant segment are drawn to a circle from an exterior point, then the square of the tangent segment length is equal to the product of the secant segment and its external secant segment length. AB squared is equal to the product of AC and AD. If you are not familiar with this formula, please check my video with the proof of this formula in the description below. Let's sub in the values. AD is equal to 6.4. The diameter of the circle is equal to AC minus AD, which is equal to 3.6. Therefore, the radius is equal to 1.8. There is another way to solve this problem if you are not familiar with the tangent-secant theorem. Let's connect point O to point B. The radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent line through its endpoint on the circle's circumference. Therefore, triangle ABO is a right triangle. By the Pythagorean theorem, AO squared is equal to AB squared plus BO squared. AO is equal to AC minus the radius, and BO is equal to the radius. Let's sub in the values, and after expanding and simplifying the equation, we are left with R is equal to 1.8. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.